Have you ever seen a video where you see a clip zoom through into another clip? Something like this. Let's quickly remake this in Premiere Pro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Corey from CNS Media, and today we're going to cover the topic of the oh-so-trendy zoom-through transition. A transition like this has been very widely used in music videos and in sports edits. It just sort of adds that little extra spice to your video that makes it a little bit more compelling. First things first, you're going to want to find a clip that works for your edit that you can, zoom through, whether it's an eyeball or a mouth or a football player's visor. Once you locate that clip that you want to use this transition for, let's just dive into Premiere Pro and build this effect. Once you've imported your clip that you want to make the zoom through transition with, duplicate the clip by holding the Option and dragging it above onto the second video track. With your sequence head, make sure you're on the very last frame, right click and select Add Frame Hold, and make that clip last between about 5 to 10 frames, depending how fast you want this transition. Next, we're going to go to the effect controls of our duplicated clip, and we're going to go down to the opacity pen, and we're going to just mask out where we want to make our zoom through transition. In your effects folder, search for the transform and apply it to your duplicated clip. In the effect controls, under the transform function, make keyframes on the position and the scale at the beginning of the clip, and we're going to want to make keyframes at the end of the clip, and then we're going to just change the position of the scale and the position of the duplicated clip so it zooms through the center frame. We are basically done this effect right now, but if you want to add a little bit of extra spice to this transition, let's go ahead and add some motion blur. In your effect controls of the duplicated clip, under the transform function, there should be a shutter angle option. Change the number to 180. And there you go, you just built this super trendy zoom through transition. If you learned anything new from today's tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe, as we'll be making some more videos in the near future. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.